Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about product rule in Calculus 1. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here the function y is equals to circle bracket v squared plus 3 times circle brackets v squared minus v plus 1. So we will apply product rule. So this will be dy over dv. This will be equal to, I need to copy the first function, circle brackets, v squared plus 3. Then I need to differentiate the second circle brackets. So this will be 2v minus 1 plus 0. Then plus, because this is product rule. So need to copy the second circle brackets or the second function, v squared minus v plus 1, and then differentiate the first function. So derivative of v squared plus 3 is 2v plus 0. So this will be circle brackets v squared plus 3, another circle brackets 2v minus 1 plus, this will be v squared minus v plus 1 times v 2v, and then simplify. So multiply this one, this is binomial, so this will be v squared plus 3 times 2v minus 1. So this will be 2v cubed, then plus 6v, then minus v squared, then minus 3. So this will be bring down to v cubed, then followed by negative v squared plus 6v, then minus 3. So this will be 2v squared. Sorry, v cube 2v cube minus v squared plus 6v minus 3. Then how about this one? This will be plus 2v times v squared, that will be 2v cube. Then distribute, negative times positive is negative, negative 2v squared. Then the last will be 2v times positive 1, this will be plus 2v. Okay, combined v cubed. So 2v cubed plus 2v cubed, that will be 4v cubed. Combine v squared. V squared minus 2v squared is minus 3v squared. Then v, 6v plus 2v is, this will be plus 8v. Then minus 3. So this will be dy over dv. This is my answer, and that's all.